Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna install some physical buttons for my GTI. As we know, the GTI has the haptic touch, and some of us wants the regular physical buttons. So this is what I'm gonna install today. I got this part from eBay. It was cheaper on eBay for some reason. It was only $58. That includes shipping. Here's the part number. So I haven't removed the original ones from the car, but I did some research before I purchased these, and I compared the original ones with these, and they pretty much match. So what you want to get is make sure that these physical button ones has these three connection points here, and then one over on this side, and make sure that it also has the heating steering wheel button right there. So this one, I believe, was for like a Tiguan, Atlas models. So I got that. The frame to house these buttons, you can't get this frame yet here in the US, so I had to go aftermarket. These are only available in Europe right now, but they're the silver color ones if you get the original from Europe, but they're pretty pricey. They're like $150 shipped. But this one I got from AliExpress. It comes in black, like a piano black. Quality wise, it's it's okay. We'll see when I install it how it looks and how it fits. This was only $20 shipped versus 150 original, which is, I think is okay. Hopefully it fits perfectly. So the buttons, they don't come with screws. You can use your original ones that you got to remove from your car, or I got some some screws from Home Depot. They're like a M3 8mm self-tapping screws. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need 6 of those, one for each controllers. So I'm gonna install that now. So they just slip in. Get some screws. You have to slip in these the cable right here. Okay. Screwed in. Not super tight, you might strip it. Remember, it's plastic. Okay, that looks good. I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet if I put this correctly. I have to look at the original one, but that's how it looks. Looks good. Okay, we'll go to the car and remove the steering wheel, or the frame, the steering wheel frame. See you there. What I like to do first before I remove the airbag is I like to remove the horn. It's in the F9 position. So it's a 15 amp fuse. Let's see where I got it. It's gonna be that one right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's that blue one right there. Remove this guy right here. So the reason why I removed this is because in my experience the last time when I removed the airbag, every time I tried to remove the airbag, the horn would go off. It was kind of getting annoying, so I just decided to remove the fuse. All right, so we go inside. Got it, finally. Jeez, that's hard. All right, finally got it out. That took a while. I gotta get a pick tool. Be right back. Okay, got it out. So it's that one and this one. Airbag comes out. If I remember correctly, This frame is just pressure fitted, so just have to ease it out slowly. Okay, there we go. So this is this one right here is the original, and then this is going to be the replacement with the physical buttons. So they both have 3. And then the other side, 1 and 1. Okay, let's install it. All right, so here it is. Fits good. Everything fits snug. Snug fit. All right, we'll put the airbag in and we're gonna test the functions. Wish me luck, hope it works. I'm not going to click this yet. I'm just going to test functions, just in case it doesn't work and I have to remove it. Okay, we'll test functions now. We should get some airbag fault, we'll see. I think I need to close the hood. Let me close the hood. Okay, we'll test the functions now again. All right. We'll try the heater. Steering wheel heater works. Press again, lowering it. Now Now it turns off. Good. We'll try side view. View works good. Boom. Okay, that works. What is this? Speak or whatever. Voice operation is not supported. Why is that? Voice operation is not supported. That's interesting. Side. Side buttons works. Good. Other side works. Volume works. Okay, good. Radio station. I don't know what that does.
It's a loss.
I think this is for preset radios, right?
Really...
I guess I just don't have any presets.
And the tremendous value of obedience to God and the blessing.
Well, it seems to be working, but I don't have any presets. But volume works. Volume works. Adaptive cruise control works. What's this? Travel assist works. Okay, I guess we're just gonna have to take it on a test drive to see if adapted cruise control and all the rest of these buttons work. But so far everything works. I just forgot what this does, and the speak. I don't know why this is not supported. So I just came from my test drive, and everything is working good. All the buttons is working. The only thing that's not working is the voice control. So I don't even recall from the original haptic touch if the voice control worked there. I don't know if this is an optional upgrade or something, but it just says that it's not supported. So I just discovered something on the voice command. So if you plug in your Apple CarPlay and then you press your voice command, it works.
What would you like to know about Jose use of rain gutters? Works with Chris.
So voice command works with Apple CarPlay. Alright guys, so I'll just wrap this up. Thanks for viewing this video, and until the next one, have a good day guys. Bye.